Standing out online these days, it feels harder than ever, right? But there's a secret weapon that's completely changing the game for marketers, and that's AI-powered SEO tools. So in this explainer, we're going to crack open that arsenal and show you exactly how to gain a serious edge.
I mean, this is it. This is the one question that probably keeps every single marketer and website owner up at night. You've got millions of websites all screaming for attention. So, how do you make your voice heard? It's really the central challenge we're all facing right now.
And you know what? The answer isn't just one simple thing. It's this incredibly powerful partnership. It's the fusion of two of the most transformative technologies out there, artificial intelligence and search engine optimization. And when these two forces work together, well, something pretty amazing happens.
This powerful partnership isn't just some abstract idea. It comes to life through some really specific applications. We're talking about AI-driven SEO tools. These are the practical, secret ingredients that let you cut right through all that digital noise and connect directly with the people you're trying to reach. All right, so here's our game plan. We're going to look at the AI SEO revolution, and then we're going to organize our toolkit into a few key areas: creating content with AI, then optimizing for search engines, and even moving beyond text into AI media. And finally, we'll pull it all together so you can start building your AI arsenal. So let's start at the beginning. AI content creation. You got to get this right because honestly, this is the foundation of any digital strategy. It's where every single great campaign begins. And here's the problem we all know too well. The demand for new content is just relentless. You need great articles, you need catchy headlines, you need engaging social media posts, and let's be real, you needed them yesterday. That pressure to produce at both high speed and high quality is just immense. Okay, so meet your new AI creative team. You've got Jasper, which is amazing at generating high-quality copy for pretty much anything. Then there's WriteSonic, which is kind of your specialist for long-form blocks. Of course, there's ChatGPT, the revolutionary do-it-all assistant. And if you're looking for a great budget-friendly option for writing and just getting ideas out, you have to look at Copy.ai. But look, creating great content, that's just step one. If you want to get noticed, you have to polish it. You've got to tune it perfectly so that search engines like Google don't just find it, they feature it.
What's so cool is that AI really demystifies this whole optimization process. It's not magic. It's a super clear workflow. You start by analyzing what's already ranking at the top, then you use that data to generate a smart outline, you draft your content with AI helping you out, and this is the critical part, you fine-tune your work in real time against key SEO metrics.
And these are the tools that make that whole workflow possible. Surfer SEO is an absolute powerhouse for editing content with data-backed suggestions. Phrase is brilliant for the front end of that process, all the research and outlining. And for bigger teams with really complex needs, MarketMuse is a true pioneer in this space, built for the enterprise level.
Okay, but let's be honest, the internet today isn't just about text, is it? Nope. To truly capture someone's attention, you need compelling visuals and audio.
And the challenge here is a big one. I mean, creating professional-grade media, that used to require years of training, not to mention super expensive software. You need awesome videos, unique images, and crystal clear voiceovers, but you're probably not a professional video editor or a graphic designer.
This is where AI's power just absolutely shines. Pictory can generate professional videos even if you have zero editing experience. Midjourney can turn simple text prompts into the most stunning, unique images. Murph creates incredibly natural-sounding voiceovers on demand. And Descript changes the entire game by letting you edit video just by editing text. It's incredible. So we've seen the creators, the optimizers, and the generators. How do you actually combine all of these to build your perfect AI arsenal? Let's get to the big takeaway. And here it is, maybe the most important takeaway of all. There is no single best AI tool. It just doesn't exist. Think about it like a real workshop. You don't use a hammer for every single job, right? The best tool is always the one that perfectly fits the specific task you're working on. So let's see how this actually plays out in the real world. Let's take Jasper and Copy.ai. Both are fantastic writers, but your choice really depends on your goal. Do you need to produce tons of high-quality content and fast? Jasper is likely your best bet. Or maybe you need a powerful, cost-effective tool with a great free plan just for brainstorming? Well, then Copy.ai is probably the perfect fit.
You know, this quote really says it all. At the end of the day, all of these tools, everything we've talked about, they all serve one primary purpose: to help you create, refine, and deliver better content. Because content is, and it always will be, the absolute cornerstone of how we communicate online.
So let's quickly recap our toolbox. You have your creators for writing and coming up with ideas. You have your optimizers for research and getting ranked. And you have your generators for bringing it all to life with video, images, and audio. Mastering these three categories, that's the key.
The world of AI tools can feel, well, pretty overwhelming. But by thinking in terms of this framework, creator, optimizer, generator, you now have a map. You have a way to navigate this landscape and find exactly what you need when you need it.
So you've got the framework, and you've seen the tools. Your AI toolbox is organized and ready to go. There's really only one question left. What are you going to build first?